What's going on? It's Charrell the Forex King, and we're back with another video. But before we start, I got to give you the word for today. 1 Corinthians 14 verse 40. Let all things be done decently and in order. That's what separates gamblers from traders. Now, what you're about to watch is a training I did a couple of years ago inside my NPM Academy. And even though my strategy has evolved, the fundamentals in this video are still what every beginner needs to understand. So if you're new, pay attention. If you've been struggling, go back to this. So hello, my name is Charrell, and let me introduce myself. I'm a full-time trader. I've been doing this for 4 years, so I have 4 years of experience. Some people may know me as well as a Forex robot creator. I create robots as well for people to automate as a special second income. Some people know me as a mentor. Some people call me coach, funded trader. As you can see, all the certificates. I've been doing this for 4 years, so I have experience of teaching people. So let's go to the next slide. So if you are a beginner and you know nothing about Forex, what is Forex? Forex is a foreign exchange trading. It's a internal market for buying and selling currencies at $6.6 trillion. It is 25 times larger than all the world's stock markets. Forex trading dictates the exchange rates for all flexible rate currencies. So Forex is you buying and selling different currencies like USD, different countries. For example, Great Britain, New Zealand. It's a lot of different countries. So you're basically buying and selling. Like when you go to the airport and you exchange your money for a different country, that's foreign exchange right there. When you go into different countries and you exchange your money as well, the US dollar for their particular currency, that's foreign exchange right there. So it's a $6.6 trillion business. So let's get to the next slide. The sessions are New York session, Asian session, London session, Sydney session, which is, what time is it now? 6:15. So we're currently at 6:15 right now. We're currently Asian session right now. So New York session, my time is 7 a.m. to 4 p.m. Central. I'm Central. Asian session is 6 p.m. Central to 3 a.m. Central. London session is 2 a.m. Central to 10 a.m. Central. Sydney session is 4 p.m. to 1 a.m. Central. And this is Eastern, 5 p.m. Eastern, 2 a.m. Eastern. That's the Eastern time, 7 p.m. Eastern, 4 a.m. Eastern, 3 a.m. Eastern, 12 p.m. Eastern, 8 a.m. Eastern, 5 p.m. Eastern. That's Sydney, Tokyo, London, and New York. Those are the sessions times of the trading. So let's get to the next slide. There are different time frames. 5-minute time frame, 15-minute time frame, 1 hour time frame, 4 hour time frame, daily, monthly, weekly. Those are time frames I look at. Even the 30-minute time frame, you can look at that as well. They have a 3-minute time frame. It's different time frames that you look at when you're looking at the charts. There are different types of traders: scalper trader, intraday trader, day trader, swing trader. A scalper trader is get in and get out. So you might get, like, say you get you scalp, get $100, you get out, then get in again, get another $100 and get out. Like, say it's for like a minute, 2 minutes, depending on the volatility of the market. It might take long, but you're getting in and getting out. You get in one trade, get a certain amount of profit, and then you get out. So you're scalping, getting in and getting out. Intraday could be 1 hour, it could be 1 hour, 2 hours during the day. Day trader could be a whole day. You're holding the trade for the trade for a whole day. So you might start right now and you get in a trade, and it's 6:18 right now, and tomorrow is Friday. Well, tomorrow is Friday, but if you was, say for instance, it was Wednesday, it was like 6 something, and then you hold it to right now 6:18 p.m. That's a whole day that you're holding a trade. Swing traders are monthly. They can hold a trade for months, weeks. I am a scalper trader, so I get in and get out. That's how I've been doing it. I scalp, get in and get out. I might have on another account where I'm holding. I set my TPs, and send out the signals, and I hold it to that TP, to all the TPs. But the other account, I'm scalping, getting in and getting out, because that's the type of trader I am. I'm a scalper trader. Somebody's trying to get in. They got it. So let's go to the next slide. How to set up your accounts. So you would need a broker. In the Telegram group, I have the links of the brokers that I use. Personally. So you have to set up your account with that particular broker. You have to deposit your money in there. You have to get verified first before you even do anything. You have to get verified. So send in your ID, your bank statement, or any documents with your address to get verified with that broker. And after you get verified and they approve you, then you can make an account, and then you can deposit into your account and you can trade with it. If you want the link to the broker that I use, you can always message me, or you can look in the Telegram group, and the link is in there. There are 28 most traded currency pairs in Forex market: Euro USD, USD CAD, Euro AUD, GBP JPY, NZD JPY, GBP NZD, CAD CHF, USD JPY, NZD USD, Euro CAD, AUD JPY, GBP AUD, AUD CAD, NZD CAD, GBP USD, Euro JPY, Euro CHF, CAD JPY, GBP CAD, RCHF, NZD CHF, RUSD, Euro GBP, Euro NZD, CHF JPY, GBP CHF, RNZD, USD CHF, and there's also other pairs, the indices like US 30, NAS 100, SPX 500, JER 30, different indices. It's metals like gold, silver. It's crypto pairs like Bitcoin, Ethereum. So those are different pairs. So let's go to the next slide. Candlestick patterns. There are different candlestick patterns. Bullish engulfing. So as you can see, this little candle right here, and this big candle overlaps it. So that's a bullish engulfing candle. Bearish engulfing candle. This candle is little, and this red candle overlaps this candle. That's bearish engulfing candle. Harama, dark cloud covered, rising sun, low high close pattern. Close could be bullish or bearish depending on the context. High low close pattern could be bullish or bearish depending on the context. Hammer or pin signals reversal when the wick sticks out way past surrounding prices. Price tried to go higher and was rejected. The doji candle, a natural or neutral pattern, which could have different meanings based on context. So there are different candlestick patterns that you can use. Chart patterns. Now, this is my favorite because it's particular ones that I use personally. I use the ones, I don't use all of these, but I love the inverted head and shoulders pattern. That's the one I use. I love the head and shoulders pattern. And this right here is what I call a signal I called that we've been eating on for the whole week on NAS 100. So I love the head and shoulders patterns. I can spot it a mile away. You just got to be able to spot it. You got to wait for it, be patient, and let it set up. Double bottom, double top pattern. So these are all the different patterns. This inverted head and shoulders means a buy. It's buying up. The head and shoulders, this means it's selling down. That's how we count the sales down the NAS 100. Double bottom, this means it's buying up. So the neckline, you catch it right here and you buy up. Double top, this means it's selling down. So you wait for that neckline, and right here, sell down. Type of one in chat if you understand it. Type of one in the chat if you understand it. Type of one in chat if you understand it. Now let's get to the next slide. Supply and demand. This is what I use when I trade. Supply and demand. See, as this is supply. So picture this. Say for instance, you bounce a ball down here. This is the demand zone. You bounce a ball, a ceiling in the floor. You bounce the ball to the floor, and that's the demand zone. So back to what I was saying. You bounce the ball to the floor, And then where you think it's going to go? To the ceiling. It's going to go to the ceiling. And that's the supply zone. So it bounced to the demand. You bounce it and it bounced to the demand. That's the floor. And then the ceiling is the supply zone. Type of 1 in chat, you understand that. Type of 1 in chat, you understand that. This is what I personally use. Now let's go to, everybody understand that, supply and demand. Next slide. There are particular lot sizes that you use. Profit and loss. Micro lot is 0.01. So say 0.0001 times 1,000 is 10 cents. Mini lot is 0.1. Say it moves in 10,000 units. And movement value, it moves 0.0001. Profit loss, 0.001 times 10,000 equals $1. And this micro lot, I didn't, so this moves in units 1,000. Movement is 0.001. And I said previously 0.001 times 1,000 equals 10 cents. Standard lot is 1.0. It moves 1,000,000. Movement value 0.001. Profit loss 0.001 times 100,000 equals $10. So let's get to the next slide. Pips. A pip is the smallest price movement that exchange rate can make based on Forex market convention. Most current pairs are priced out to 4 decimal places, and the pip change is the last 4th decimal point. As you can see, Euro USD 1.13215. So this is 20. See, it say 20 pips, 21 pips. So this is the when you moving, say you're moving, you are in a buy and it goes up 20 pips. So you would instead of using this, you would go here. These 3 right here, the 2, 1, these first 2 right here, 21 pips. So it'll be 21 pips. This one is different because it's USD JPY, different price. 113.215. These last 3. So it would be, this will be 20 pips. This will be 1 pip. So that's 21 pips. So say for instance, you go for a sell and it goes 21 pips down, or 20 pips for instance. So say for instance, the sell 113.215 and you want it to go 20 pips, that would be 113.015 if you're in a sell. If you're in a buy, that would be 113.415. That's 20 pips going up. For this one, your USD, you going 20 pips. Say you're going for a buy, 20 pips. It will be 1.13415. and say you're going for a sale on your USD, and that's 20, and you're going for 20 pips, it would be 1.13015. Does everybody understand that? Type of one in chat if you understand it. Type of one in chat if you understand it. So let's get to the next slide. Risk management. Only risk what you can afford to lose. I tell everybody that this is one of the rules. Don't risk your rent money, your bill money, or money that you know you gotta pay when it comes to bills or something like that. Or money that you know that you can't afford to lose. That you're gonna get emotional and be upset because you lost it. Don't risk money that you can't afford to lose. I tell people this all the time. You gotta be able to control your emotions and understand that money is just a tool to get to where you need to go. Like it's a tool. Money is just a tool. You can always make it up. If you take a loss, you can make that back. And that's the part where people fail because they get their emotions involved because they took losses and they lost their money, and it was money that they couldn't afford to lose. You got to get your mental right where you're able to overcome that. You can take that loss and then you can move on and get better. Type of one in chat if you understand that. Trading psychology. Discipline. Never give up. Do not revenge trade. Take a deep breath. Meditate. Think positive. Affirmations. That's the things that you can get your mind right, your psychology right. Never give up. Never do not revenge trade. Take a deep breath, meditate, think positive, affirmations, or whatever that can get your mind. Say, for instance, you exercise or go exercise. You took a loss, big loss. You go exercise or get your mind right or meditate. These are the things that you can get your mind right, get your psychology right, and then come back even stronger. Type of one in chat if you understand that. Also, you can pray as well. Meditate, pray, talk to God. Type of one in chat if you understand it. News. News is just a way for the market makers to disguise their big moves. It's just a way for them to disguise their big moves. So it's different types of news. It's CPI, the big important news like CPI, unemployment rate, NFP, How news. It's different types of news that are like you'll get red folder news like this, red folder news, USD news, CPI, like I said, Powell, FOMC. Those are big high impact news. Go to the next slide. The EAs the indicators that I use: EMAs, supply and demand, high of the day and low of the day, pivots and supports, RSI. So supply and demand is red. You can see it's red and you see the green right here. And the RSI is right here, as you can see. And you see this green right here, this green line right here. That's the high of the day. This red line, low of the day or low of the week. compounding trading plan. So I tell anybody you only want to risk 1 to 3% per trade. So you only want to risk 1 to 3% per trade. If you know what you're doing, people risk. If you experience, you know what you're doing or whatever. You can risk because you know what you're doing. You've been doing this for a long. So like me or whatever. If I know how to calculate my stuff, you can risk more. But if you're a beginner, only risk 1 to 3%. And this is daily growth trading plan. I put this, it's in the Telegram, NPM Academy Telegram, for anybody that needs it. So you can download it and you can put in, this is the balance 1,000, and then the daily growth is you put in the percentage, say you want 1%, 2% or 3%, you put that in, and then it calculates for you. Daily profit goal is, it says 100. The lot size that you'll be using is 0.50. So it calculates for you. This is Excel sheet. And it calculates everything for you. I would want to check if you understand it. So that concludes this presentation. Inside NPM Academy, I go live with my students, break down the markets in real time, and give you the structure most traders are missing. If you want to stop guessing and actually learn how to trade with confidence, the link is below. Hope you enjoyed this video. This is Charell, the Forex King. Let's go.
Talk to yourself, say it out loud. I am strong, I am focused, I am disciplined. I am healed, I am chosen, I am limitless. I am peace, I am power, I am built for this. I am God-led, I am rising, I am dangerous. I am truth, I am love, I am standing tall. I don't break, I don't fold, I don't fall. I am legacy and I'm destined to win. Say it with me, hey. I am him, I am him. I used to doubt myself when no one got loud. Now I walk in like Perk is wearing the crown. I stopped asking for permission to be great. Started talking to God and myself every day. I am not what I've been through, I am what I build through. Pain try to define me, but faith redesign me. I am not chasing validation, I am building domination. Not over people, over fear, over trauma, over tears that tell my mind. You're not tired, you transforming, yeah. You're not lost, you evolving, yeah. You're not weak, you awakening, yeah. Say it again. I am strong, I am focused, I am disciplined. I am healed, I am chosen, I am limitless. I am peace, I am power, I am through for this. I am God-led, I am rising, I am dangerous. I'm king energy, yeah, I'm standing tall.